Hey, let's talk about my most favorite pizza of all time. Greek pizza. Man, I love this Greek pizza. It's actually one that's kind of close to me. My wife's family used to have a pizza restaurant. When I first went to visit them and I had this Greek pizza, oh my word, is all I had to say. And today on Pizza Party, I wanted to show you how I make my version of Greek pizza. All right, let's get started with this Greek pizza. We're going to start off by browning up some sweet Italian sausage. After that, we're going to take and marinate some Roma tomatoes. And we're just going to put a nice dice on here. Not real fine, not real thick, just about this size right here. The marinade consists of just some Ken's Greek dressing. And we're just going to put about 1 or 2 tablespoons in there and just mix it around real well. So I have my dough over here, my dough boxes I made previously. This is that New York style dough recipe that I made previously. And we won't come in, this is a mixture of semolina flour and double O flour that I have. And I just dust the top of it and then just kind of cut where the doughs just kind of meet. And then bring that out of your dough box. Put the top side down onto your board. Now we're just going to work this dough. We want to work from that inside out, y'all. We just want to push that air out. Now we're just going to come up here. We're going to stretch it with our hands. Just want to just kind of knead out with your knuckles. I've let this dough, it's been at room temperature for about 2 to 3 hours. It's going to make a great, great pizza. All right, we're going to start off adding a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. We're going to take our marinated tomatoes. Try not to get too much of that sauce or the liquid. Now we're going to add our red onion. Now we're going to come in with our sweet Italian sausage. And now we're going to come in with some of these banana peppers, pepperoncinis, whatever you want to call it. I call them good. Next, we're going to come in with some feta cheese. Then on top of this, we're going to come in with a provolone and mozzarella blend. I love the provolone and mozzarella blend. Now it's time to get this pizza in our oven. We're at about 582 degrees at our stone. We'll get our pizza peel. We'll add a little bit of this flour just to make sure everything is nice and loosey-goosey. Lift her up, just like that. All right, y'all, let's get this pizza in. Y'all, I hope this is so close to my wife's parents' Greek pizza. I love that pizza so much. Hey, y'all, I appreciate you watching thus far. Hey, if you don't mind, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And if you really, really like it, leave me a comment. I'd love to interact with you. Y'all, this pizza is looking amazing. I think it's ready. Oh, 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 oh. She's beautiful. I know what a lot of people are wondering. What does the bottom look like, Hussy? I'm glad you asked. Perfect. Woo! Love it, babies. Y'all, I'm excited to try this out. I want to see if it compares to my wife's family's restaurant. I can only hope. It was really good, y'all. So I'm just going to come over here. Which one do I want? Oh, I like this one right here. I like this one right here. Now, they would serve theirs with a little bit of tzatziki sauce, which I like that idea. I love tzatziki. I'm going to try it without the tzatziki first. Cheers. Oh, man. That crust is amazing. It's got nice flavor. The sweet Italian sausage really comes through. It's got a little bit of heat to it. The marinated tomatoes really, really work well. Now, it's time for a little bit of tzatziki. Salty, just so flavorful. Y'all, that's pretty dang close. I think I did a pretty good job. I think you'll like it as well. Hey, there ain't no party like a pizza party, y'all. I want you to give us a try. I appreciate you stopping in and giving it a watch. Head on over to the Blackstone Network where you see other awesome pizza recipes just like this.